Okay, what is the oxidation state of each element? So, okay, if I remember right, elements by themselves, their oxidation state is equal to their charge.
Well, okay, so if you have elements by themselves, like in solid state, there's 0.
Oh, so is it when they're together that it's equal to
Yeah.
their charge? Okay. So
Well,
0 by themselves.
K2, CR207.
A neutral element that is not part of a compound has an oxidation state of 0.
Yeah.
Monoatomic ions have oxidation states equal to their ionic charges.
Yeah.
The sum of the oxidation states in a formula is equal to the overall charge.
Yeah.
Okay. Oxygen tends to have -2 in compounds. Hydrogen tends to have +1. Okay.
Yeah, so those are kind of the general rules. Unless you have 2 oxygens in a compound, or fluorines with oxygens, oxygen is always a -2. Let's see if this one has over 2. But I think we're safe assuming that it's a -2 charge. Potassium, they also follow in the periodic table. Like potassium's in the first column, so it's always a +1. Usually always a +1.
Okay.
These guys, the transition metals, they can vary, they can have different oxidation states. So we always do him last.
So don't they have to kind of like equal out?
Yep.
So that should be a +1 as well.
Well, let's see, so you have to take into account all of them, so that you have a -14 here. You have a +2 here. So you need, so right now you're at -12.
So a +12?
+6, well, +6, because yeah, you need a +12 and there's 2 of them.
Wait, there's -14 and +2.
Yes, so you, overall you have a -12.
Oh,
So you need a +12 to balance everything.
okay.
And since there's 2 of them, it's 12 divided by 2 or 6.
Oh, okay, got it. Okay. So that is +2, that is +6, negative, okay, there we go. SO3, whoa, okay, what happens when you have 2 negative on there?
Yes. So SO3. So the overall charge when we add them all up will be a -2.
Okay.
The sum of the charges.
So we have 3 oxygens at -2 each,
Yes, -2, so that's -6.
which means we need a +4.
Yep. So we need a +4, which means S is a +4.
Okay.
And if we, you can also do it by Lewis structure, so that's 6 times 4 is 24, 25, 26. So, boom, 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 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. So with oxidation states, formal charge, you split bonds evenly and count. So this oxygen would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 minus 7 is a -1. With oxidation states, however, you give all the electrons in the bond to the more electronegative atom. So oxygen wins over sulfur in each case. So now it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 minus 8 equals -2. 6 minus 8, -2. This one's 2, 4, 6, 8. 6 minus 8, -2. And sulfur is 6 minus, he only has 2 left, so he's a +4. So that's how you do oxidation states from those structures.
Okay. Sweet. Oh no.
Oh, he's a +1. We wrote him as a +1, and there's 2 of them.
Oh, dang. Whew. Oh, good. Still got a 99.
That's not too bad.
Okay, oxidation state, each of the following. So that would just be +2, right? S and S. So there's a -4, S must be +4.
Yep.
So let's see, there's 4 oxygens at -2 each. 2, 4, 6, 8. And so +6.
Yep.
So zinc, SO4. Okay, so it'll be -8 again. And then zinc we're gonna do last, right? Because it's
Yeah.
transition metal. So we have -8. Sulfur is gonna be -2.
No, sulfur changes a lot. What might help is this is the same as that, but that zinc balances that charge.
So wait, will sulfur, no, so oxidation changes with whatever, like it's not always the same, like sulfur won't always be a +4
Nope.
or 6 or whatever. So we know we have a -8, so how do we know what sulfur is?
Let's see, you could draw it out, or SO4 has a 2- charge on it. So if that has a 2-, you know that sulfur is a +6. And then to balance that 2-, zinc must be a,
+2?
yeah.
Okay. Okay. So you can kind of like split them up like that?
Yeah, like polyatomic ions, they always have the same charge.
Okay.
So if you memorize them, then it's...
Oxidation state. Okay, so we have 8 oxygens. 8 oxygens, which means -16. So we have -16. Chromate's gonna be something we do last. So we have chromium and manganese.
CrO4, yeah, I think that's, I
Is
can't
that
remember.
like oxalate or something?
Chromium ox or something. If you go to that hint and go to that table, it'll tell you the charge on polyatomic ions and chromium 04.
I tell I'm going to Austin where it's like, oh my gosh, you're so pretty, blah blah blah. And I'm like, yes, I know. One of my friends is from there.
CrO4 2-. So CrO4 2-.
But there's 2 of them, right?
Yeah, but let's just look at one, just to see what the charge on chromium is gonna be.
Okay, so there's gonna be -8, so chromium must be +6.
Yeah.
And so there's, so there's gonna be 12 plus 12 for chromium.
So we're at -4.
And there's no, yeah,
And there's just one of those.
okay. +4, chromium is +6, oxygen